Hello guys. Welcome back to English Language Fluency. This is the second part of our daily routine vocabulary practice series. Today, let's find out your knowledge of the most common daily routine vocabulary words in English. So we are going to have a vocabulary words quiz to check out what you have learned from my previous video. This is a multiple choice quiz, so you will have to think well and choose only the best answer. Now, if you have not yet watched my previous video about daily routine vocabulary words, then I suggest that you should not take this quiz yet. You can check out my previous video, which is the first part of this series, by clicking the link in the description box below. Okay, are you now ready? Let's get started. Number 1. You do this twice a day, usually in the morning and before going to bed. A. Have breakfast. B. Brush teeth. C. Do homework. D. Watch TV. The correct answer is B. Brush teeth. Number 2. You do this in the middle of the day so you will not feel hungry. A. Get up. B. Brush teeth. C. Have breakfast. D. Have lunch. The correct answer is D. Have lunch. Number 3. You do this so you can learn new things along with others. A. Have lunch. B. Go home. C. Go to school. D. Have dinner. The correct answer is C. Go to school. Number 4. You do this to have proper clothes on before you go out. A. Get up. B. Watch TV. C. Get dressed. D. Go home. The correct answer is C. Get dressed. Number 5. This is what you do in the morning as soon as your alarm clock goes off. A. Get up. B. Wake up. C. Get dressed. D. Have a shower. The correct answer is B. Wake up. Number 6. After school, you do this so you can continue to learn. A. Go home. B. Go to school. C. Get up. D. Do homework. The correct answer is D. Do homework. Number 7. You do this at the table in the evening with your family. A. Have dinner. B. Go to bed. C. Brush teeth. D. Watch TV. The correct answer is A. Have dinner. Number 8. You do this to make your whole body clean. A. Get up. B. Go to bed. C. Have a shower. D. Brush teeth. The correct answer is C. Have a shower. Number 9. After a long day, this is what you do right before you fall asleep. A. Go to bed. B. Have lunch. C. Do homework. D. Get up. The correct answer is A. Go to bed. Number 10. You do this with your family in the evening, usually after dinner. A. Wake up. B. Have a shower. C. Have dinner. D. Watch TV. The correct answer is D. Watch TV. Number 11. You do this in the morning as your first meal of the day. A. Brush teeth. B. Have breakfast. C. Have a shower. D. Wake up. The correct answer is B. Have breakfast. Number 12. In the afternoon, you do this after your classes at school have finished. A. Have lunch. B. Brush teeth. C. Go to school. D. Go home. The correct answer is D. Go home. Number 13. This is the first thing you do after you wake up. A. Go home. B. Do homework. C. Get up. D. Go to bed. The correct answer is C. Get up. For more English language fluency lessons and practice tests, click on the subscribe button and notification bell now so you won't miss my latest videos.